Welcome back to the farm. Charmaine Turbow here at Turbow Farms in Zone 9B in Los Altos, California, head farmette. We're going to talk about today our dahlias and how dire they've become. It is late in the season. We are in the first week of October. We're actually having almost 100-degree weather. So some of these dahlias are actually going in for a last hurrah, but as you can see, others are they're about to kick the bucket. So a few signs that we should note: powdery mildew, just a drop in production, and the leaves are, browning up, and the stems are getting leggy. So what we would normally do is, this is how we send our dahlias into dormancy. 1, remove leaves. So we just come in here and peel the leaves down, get them into a dump bucket. You don't want this stuff going back into your compost. Just trim things down pretty quick. For stems that are really, really thick, this is what lopping means. You take the pair of loppers, okay, and you just come across and cut them clean. The idea is to go 5 rungs. You see these little rungs here? You can't see below here, but I'm counting basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rungs. And what these rungs do is they kind of cut off water from entering down into the tuber. So if you have any threat of rain, the rule of thumb is 5 rungs up, give them a clean cut, and you should be good to go. So what this does is, now that you've removed most of the leaves off this plant, it's going to tell the plant, oh, I guess I'm not making flower babies anymore, and it's time to go to sleep. It tells the tubers to start thickening their skins, and that takes about 2 to 3 weeks. And then what we'll do is we'll lift these guys out and overwinter them for spring.
Be sure to turn off water to your dahlias. By turning off the water, you reduce the risk of rot of your tubers as they are hardening off.
Thanks for watching. Charmaine Turbow here in Zone 9B. If you like this video, hit the like, subscribe to us so that you can get a notification for the next video to come. Flowers or bust.